pin up a little bit.
One of the ropes came out of the wood, came untied. We're gonna have to get a drill and re-drill the hole. We're ready. I thought while I was in here, I should grab a lighter because that rope that we're using, I don't know what it is, but it's that kind of rope that you need to burn the ends on. Nice, can't find the lighter. Ah, here's one. The lighter, get my drill, and we're back out there. How you doing back there, baby Lukey? You like hanging out on Mama's back? Look at that grass. Great. Oh man, I'm making a mess. Huh, interesting. So I didn't think that through with the drill bit. Oopsie. And my lighter ran out of fluid. It's just dandy. Sometimes things just don't go right. Just want the string to go through. Okay, we'll check back on this later. Haha, it's success! Ha ha ha. Hopefully that holds. Here they are by the Eggmobile, getting a pen. I got it! I got it!
Got it.
Yep. And I wrapped all the grass around the drill. You driving the tractor? So a little story on these pens. We built them in 2015, so 3 years ago. And I guess we're lazy, but we always store them just sitting on the ground. Now they're starting to rot. That one, he just pulled it away, and there was a wheel on the back of that one. They have removable wheels, and the whole back piece that the wheel attaches to just snapped because it's rotted. So that piece right there. So it looks like we need to do little repairs on these. I repaired them last spring, but that was last year. So you always have to repair your stuff and take care of it. I mean, I didn't think these would last that long, but hopefully we'll get a few more years out of them. We're just gonna have to start replacing more things than we ever have in the past. This one, the tarp blew off, so I folded that up and put it away. So we're gonna have to put that tarp back on before we put the chicks in it. Really, I think this one's the worst. Look at that. I think we better fix, I don't know. We probably ought to fix that before we even move it. Ooh, there's wasps over there. It's the one I just fixed the rope on. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Please don't stick me in my baby. These are the best for fixing pens. 4-inch screws, lock into place, come with a bit and everything. I wish we would have known about these when we built the pens in the first place, but all that we used were plain old like deck screws that were like 2 inches long. Did not hold up. So, well, maybe they were 3 inches long. But anyways, these ones are much better. Stronger, longer lasting. We put these in the pens last year and they all held up. I'm just guessing that this joint that's broken is from one of the pens that we didn't use these screws in because it was still holding together. So, go figure. This year it rotted out.
Papa.
You're gonna help Papa fix it?
There was one in it. Hold that out.
There it goes. Bent.
Oh yeah. Ooh, hot. It's not very tight.
Get the booger.
Well, I mean, it pulled together. I can't believe it.
If we could just limp it by.
Well, might be able to get it up there now.
Yeah. Could at least get it up there and then.
I could even go in this way, and although if I keep doing that, it's gonna splinter.
Yeah, it needs reinforced. Bye. See you later.
See how well it's holding up.
Okay. See how well this thing's holding up. Okay, it's good. Whoa, look at my pumpkins. They're jamming on the mulch pile. The tomatoes and potatoes. And there's Toby Doggy. Hey, Toby Doggy. All right, little Lukey, you ready to go get something to eat? You ready for dinner, little man? Yeah, I'm ready for dinner too. Yummy, my roasted potatoes are done. Barbecue pork ribs from our own pigs. They're falling off the bone. They look yummy.
Yes.
You want to eat it, Levi? Okay, let's get you some on your plate. What do you have?
Mama,
What?
well, golf cart?
Yeah, put it up there. Get on the golf cart.
Okay. And the white's good. And those ones good.
Gotta check the lights.
This one's good.
Is it good?
Yes.
Look at that.
Turn it on. Turn on it.
Wow, those lights are good, Papa.
Good thing he doesn't judge.
In our golf cart. We're gonna go for a ride to the barn. Oh, look, my berries.
Well, comment think does something.
Yeah, I know. Hey, ladies. turned it off. Let's get the eggs. All right, let's get in there.
We can have a walk.
Okay,
So I walk them.
this way.
Okay, this way.
Do you see any eggs on the ground? I see a duck egg right there.
Wow, look, this thing is nice.
Look, we got some broody hens.
This is.
Two bad hens. Come on. Get out of there. Say, get out of there.
Oh.
Ooh, she pooped in there. Get out of there. Come on. Get out of here.
That's like a nose.
Yeah.
Can I get eggs, Mom?
Yep, we're going to get the eggs.
Wait,
What?
pooping. Oh, wait, pooping chickens.
Okay, go find eggs on the ground.